welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Mslynn hair. They did send me a 13x4 honey blonde highlighted body wave unit. This unit is at 24 inches, as you guys can see. I feel like with inches, I don't want to do anything shorter than 24 inches. I'm short, so I feel like 24 inches or longer is definitely perfect for me. And then if I'm doing something short, it has to be super short. I don't want to be in between, you know what I'm saying? So before we jump into this full install, you guys, make sure if you are new, you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you're hitting your post notification bell so every time I post, you don't miss an update. All right, you guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this install. I definitely want to jump into this install because I feel like this wig did require just a little bit of more maintenance, which is not bad. I feel like if you're a patient person, you can definitely get what you need done. And considering the fact that this unit is a 13x6, you could definitely do a lot with this unit. You don't have to do a side part like I did. You could do a middle part, side part, updo look. You can do so much with this unit. So let me just say that first and foremost, this unit is very, very versatile. Now, you guys, when I did do the side part, although this is a 13x4, you will feel a little bit of the track towards, I would say, about going 3 to 4 inches back if you try to do a side part. Now, guys, as far as the lace goes, I did try to bleach the knots. I feel like the lace took the bleach just a little bit. I feel like since it is a highlighted unit, it didn't really need that much bleach. I don't know, when it comes to like color units, highlighted units, I really don't focus on the bleaching too much just because it has colors in it already coming out the lace. But I did try to attempt to bleach the lace a little bit, and it took just a little bit. I don't know if it needed to stay on longer. I usually try to be careful because I use the 50 developer, and the 50 developer usually goes really fast. But it also depends on the lace too, because every lace is different. So I feel like if you're going to bleach this lace, make sure you leave the bleach on just a little longer than normal, because it's not gonna take like super fast. It is more so, I would say, of a clearish, transparent type of lace, but it's not hard to blend it, like I said. And then also did some baby hairs here towards where my parting is, and it came out really pretty. Now, you guys, as far as the baby hairs go, I feel like it was easy to pull these baby hairs out, because when I was plucking the unit, because I did initially pluck the unit just a little more to my liking, but I do feel like this hair was already plucked just a little bit, especially over on the edges. So I really didn't have to do too much plucking. But it's up to you and to your liking how much plucking you want to do, because that's going to determine how natural it looks when the baby hairs come out and all that stuff. But I did do some baby hair on my edges, like on the side, just in case I swoop it over. So yeah, I did that, but you probably won't see it because yeah, I usually have my side parts like this. You know, I usually don't do any extra baby hairs over on the other side. I know some people do, but now as far as any tangling or any shedding, you guys, I didn't have neither. And for this hair to be at 24 inches, for it being pretty long, there was no tangling, nor was there any shedding. My comb, my hands, everything went straight through this unit. Now, this hair is a little bit more so on the yucky side, which I love because I feel like it looks more natural. I don't think there's too much silkiness in it. I mean, you guys can determine that. Does it look like it's, I don't know. I feel like maybe just a touch of silkiness where the highlights are, but I just feel like it's more yucky, which is what I really love. Now, you guys, with this hair, I did decide to curl it. It's been a while since I have curled any unit that I've had, so I decided I wanted to do a curl. And then I really love the colors on this unit, and it goes perfect with my skin tone, so I did decide to go ahead and curl it. Now, I will say, when you do curl this hair, it does fall. It will hold the curl. As you guys can see, when I did hold my curls as I was curling it, it did hold the curl, but I would just maybe wait. I didn't wait that long to comb the curls out, so maybe if you just wait just a little bit to comb the curls out, it most likely won't drop so fast. Now, it will drop into like a beautiful wave, which is what I think it did. It just dropped into some beautiful waves, which is fine with me because it still looks a little layered and it still looks good. Now, initially, you guys, I was gonna keep it at its length and just curl everything without cutting it into layers, but I do feel like since the curls were falling, I do feel like I needed to layer it just to show you guys, you know, just to show you guys just a little more of the wig. You know what I'm saying? I wanted you guys to get that full look. Now, as far as sizing, you guys, this unit definitely fits really well. Like, I actually think, because I have a bigger head, you guys, so I actually think this unit does fit. Like, I feel like if you're a smaller head girl, you'll definitely want to adjust the straps. Again, I'm a bigger head girl, so I had to adjust the straps. So I feel like if you're a smaller head girl, just make sure you cross them. Don't just loop them without crossing them. Definitely cross the adjustable straps inside of the wig so that it just fits, you know, more to your liking. So I feel like, again, whether you're a bigger hair girl, smaller hair girl, it doesn't matter. Just make sure you adjust it to how you want to. You won't have any worries with this wig fitting at all. Now this unit is 180% density, and I do feel like for it to be 180% density, it is full. I don't feel like it needs to be any fuller than this. It's not too thick, it's not too thin, it's definitely just right. And it is summertime, we are in July, so definitely it doesn't need to be, well, the weather where I'm at, it's pretty much up and down. Like it's in the 70s today, and I have on this sundress. So I have on this sundress, so yeah, the weather's up and down here, but I just feel like when it is hot, this is the perfect unit for that, because it's not gonna, like, you're not gonna sweat or anything like that. And then you guys, I will definitely suggest you use a hot comb, a real hot comb. You guys, I had to get rid of that ceramic hot comb because it was just not doing it. I had to use it for the meantime, in between time, but it can't be a ceramic. A titanium hot comb cannot be a ceramic hot comb. It definitely does what it's supposed to do. If you're using a titanium hot comb, you're gonna have to bump your hair down so many times just to get it to how you need it. When you're using a ceramic hot comb, it definitely just, it does what it needs to do. So I would say with this unit, definitely make sure you're using a ceramic hot comb just so that you can get that bulkiness down. Other than that, the only thing that I will say, you guys, is when I was curling the hair, I did notice that there was a track hanging, like one thin like track hanging off of the wig, and then I just had to cut it. But yeah, I was like, I don't know what that was about. That was kind of weird, but you know, it's not a big thing, you know what I'm saying? Just cut the track and then just throw it away. You know, it wasn't too much of a track. So yeah, there was a little bitty piece hanging when I was curling the hair, so I did decide to just throw it away. But other than that, you guys, this unit is beautiful. As you guys can see, the colors aren't even too much either. It's just enough. It's like, it's black in it, and then it has blonde streaks, and then it has like brown streaks in it too. Like, it's perfect. Perfect for summer, perfect for your skin tone. Just beautiful, you guys. So let me know in the comments what you guys think of this unit. Again, I think this unit is beautiful. I'm gonna be taking pictures. I cannot wait to take these pictures in this beautiful unit. But yes, again, make sure you guys let me know what you think in the comments below. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you are new. You guys, I am back to making videos. Well, I was making videos 3 times a week, but I'm gonna slowly but surely get back into that. I got a plan, you guys. I'm telling you, I got a plan. You'll see, I don't want to talk too much about it, but yes, I'm going to be posting twice a week now. It'll be Thursdays and Sundays. I will definitely let you guys know when anything changes. I'm good at, you know, letting you guys know what's going on as far as me posting, but definitely, like, we're not playing any games. No games at all. So Thursdays and Sundays, you guys, again, make sure you have your post notification bells on, and I will see you guys in my next video.